I'm posting another video. This helicopter landed here in town for some reason. I don't know why. It's taking off now. It's right there. I hope I don't get in trouble filming the helicopter. I have no idea why the helicopter landed here. The light you're saying that that's the helicopter that landed here. I'm just posting a video of it so you guys see it. I'm sorry sorry you can't see it. See, I really am, but it's dark. Please leave a like on the video and please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying my best to make videos. It's hard sometimes. Please leave a like and please leave a like and please leave a like and please share my video and please subscribe for me. I'm trying my best.